Hey dudes, Jeremy, Nebraska here. This is my first unboxing of anything. I'm going to show the Titanfall wireless controller. Is there like an auto focus feature on here or not? So there, that's better. I just picked this up today, the 14th of February. There's the focus. That's kind of cool. Wireless controller. Got some fancy artwork. Kind of cool. Alright. So. Hold that down there until I get my skizzers. Pop this open here. Whoa. Actually, I have a straight edge, that'll work better. Get that. Okay, so lift up on here. Bless you. And here's the box and the controller. Little Xbox One emblem down there. Go ahead and pop this out. Get some dust off of there. For the Xbox One. Get the focus. Looks nice. You got your bumpers and triggers, new Xbox One style. Flip it around. Here's the back side. You got your two AA batteries that come with Duracell. I'm going to set this right next to the Xbox One Day 1 2013. Kind of cool. So I haven't put the batteries in here yet, but feels nice. You got your little jack here for the microphone. To charge Battery compartment. You can see that there. Flip it around. You can see him there. Yeah. Flip these back around. This is the Limited Edition wireless Titanfall controller for the Xbox One. And I'll be doing a review of Titanfall, the video game, the Collectors Edition, when that drops on March 11th. So thanks for my first unboxing. Alright kids, see ya.